ready to take control of your finances and invest with confidence right from your phone. This updated guide breaks down exactly how to navigate the powerful Wealthsimple app for Canadians. First things first, if you're new, you'll need to download the Wealthsimple app from your device's app store and create an account. This involves a straightforward process of providing some personal information and verifying your identity if you're already a user. Simply log in with your credentials. Once inside, you'll see your main dashboard. To start investing, tap on the Invest tab. Wealthsimple offers various options, including their popular automated investing service here. You'll answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Based on your answers, Wealthsimple's technology will recommend a personalized portfolio of low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Think of it as a ready-made, diversified investment strategy designed for you. To fund your investments, head to the Add Funds section. You can easily link your bank account for secure and quick transfers, whether it's a one-time deposit or setting up recurring contributions to build your wealth consistently. Beyond automated investing, Wealthsimple also allows for direct stock and ETF trading with zero commissions. Navigate to the Trade tab, where you can search for specific companies or ETFs you're interested in. Once you've found what you want to invest in, simply tap Buy, enter the number of shares or dollar amount you wish to purchase, review your order details, and confirm. It's that simple to start building a portfolio of individual stocks or ETFs. Your Wealthsimple app also serves as a central hub for managing all your personal finances. You can view all your linked accounts, track the performance of your investments, and access statements and tax documents. Easily explore the Accounts section to see your TFSA, RRSP, non-registered accounts, and more, all in one place. Stay informed with instant notifications about your portfolio's performance, market news relevant to your holdings, or any important account updates. Wealthsimple keeps you in the loop so you can make informed decisions.